Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is by me Juliana. Today I would like to make a video on how you can make your soup, sesame seed soup. Sesame seed soup. Sesame seed is like egusi. Egusi, you know, you guys, most of you out there know what is egusi. That is melon in English. So I would like to make this soup to see how it goes or what it looks like. This is my first time actually. So let's go straight to what we have today. I already have my pot. Here is some of the ingredients you need for this soup. Here is my olubu. Olubu, you know what is olubu? I already cooked, washed and ready to go. It's already clean, washed and ready to go. This is my paprika. I use this in place of red oil. And my oil, olive oil. I use olive oil instead of our red oil. This is my already grounded sesame seeds. Already grounded. You guys see, it looks exactly like egusi, like I said before. And this is my stockfish with the stock already cooked, ready to go. This is my my sea salt. Sea salt, my cube for seasoning. Also, this is my ogiri, egusi ogiri. You guys know what is ogiri. This is optional. If you don't want this, you can skip this. And this is my grounded crayfish, and this is my dry fish. Dry fish already cooked, ready to go with the stock or everything ready. So let's go straight to the cooking. I'll add my olive oil. You guys know you don't bleach olive oil. I just pour it inside the pot, and I think I need one more because I'm making like 3 cups of sesame seeds already grounded. So I need more oil. It's a big pot of soup. I already added my olive oil to the pot. Next, I'm gonna add my paprika. You know, the essence of this paprika is to give it the reddish color. I don't know, most of you, maybe you know what is paprika. It's red, it's just like red, very red, like grounded pepper. So I've added it just to give my soup the reddish color. You guys can see. You see the color already turned to just like red oil. I will still film the recipe how you can make this paprika. It's very nice. It's very, very nice. So now I'll add my chili pepper. Okay. After that, you know, the essence of putting my oil, I don't bleach olive oil. When you bleach it, it denatures the nature of the olive oil. So now I'll add my crayfish. I'll add the knorr cubes, see, and my sea salt. You don't have to, this soup doesn't take time. Once everything is ready to go, all you need is to add everything, and that's it. I'll increase my heat now because, like I said before, I don't want to bleach my oils. It's not good to bleach oil. Bleach oil is not good for our health because of a lot of cholesterol. So next time now to do is to add my sesame seed, already grounded. You see? I will mix everything together now. I will mix, you see? Can you believe it? I did not add any red oil. You see how reddish. Even the color of this, it gives you better color than the red oil. You see. So as it cooks, I'm not gonna fry this. Some people fry their egusi. No, I'm not gonna fry it because of like I said before, I don't wanna fry. I don't fry my food. I don't eat fried things for health reasons. Now I'll add my stockfish with the stock. I already set my my stove on high, the highest setting. Basically, all you need to just add everything and allow it to cook. Once everything is added, you cover the pot and allow it to cook, to do the job. You see, everything is already mixed up. Okay, anyway, let me skip a little bit. I will add a little bit sea salt for seasoning. I don't want to add too much because you don't want to add over salt your soup. You see, I've mixed up everything. We allow it to cook. At this stage, I'll cover my pot. Yes, now I'll check our soup to see how it's going. Okay, oh my God, this is lovely. Look at the thickness of this soup. One thing I noticed about this sesame seed, as it thickens as it cooks. See the consistency, very thick. More like you're using like ede or something, all those thickener to thicken your soup. It doesn't even look like egusi, you see? So now it's already coming together. At this stage, I'll add my ogiri. You guys know what is ogiri. It's optional, like I said before. It's optional. I'll add some ogiri for nice aroma. You know what is ogiri? Ogiriushi. It will give it this nice traditional nice aroma and taste. At this point I'll taste delicious. So now I'll add my vegetable. I'm using a olubu. It's ready to go, clean, wash and clean, ready to go. So I'll add some olubu now to the soup. Oh my God, as it cooks, it's still getting thicker and thicker. At this point, I think I may add some water. I'll add a little water. You see how thick it is. So add some water and increase the heat more. At this stage, the soup is almost done. It's ready because this leaf, we don't need to overcook it again. It's already cooked. It's ready to eat. I'll add little water, just little. I don't want it to be so liquidy. I like the consistency. So I will stir a bit and cover just for like a minute. And at this stage, the soup is ready. So like I said before, this sesame seed is like egusi soup, and you can get it at any of the grocery stores out there. Those of you that live in Nigeria, I know there are so many grocery stores where you can get this. It's not expensive. I think melon seed is more expensive than this. So you can make this soup now. It's like I'm making with 3 cups of sesame seed, and this is one. We got a big pot of soup. You see, this is like a pot of soup for 5, 6, 7 people. So at this stage, the soup is ready. The soup is ready. Let me give it a. Oh my goodness. This is part of deliciousness. I would like you guys to give it a try, and let me scoop it and show you guys exactly what it looks like. Oh my deliciousness. I did not use any meat. If it's optional, if you are making your own, you can use meat and add any meat of your choice. This is all I want for this soup. Made with stockfish and fish, dried fish. And this is it. Thank you guys for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and click the like button. Thank you guys. See you guys next time. Bye.